At last, we're able to talk to men. At last, we've done with silence, do you hear? Done with it!
Oh, we can go.
Theo is leaving his palace.
Bluebird!
Stand back.
But it's a bluebird.
Stay where you are. We know why you want this bird, Tyltyl. We know that you've been searching for the great secret of things and of happiness, so that man may make our servitude still harder.
No, sir. It's for the little girl who's ill.
Silence! Silence!
Don't talk to him like that, you dirty old cripple!
Tyler, behave yourself.
Oh.
Get down. What are you doing?
I must kiss you, now that you've beaten me.
That'll do.
You'd better tie him up.
Tie him up? What with?
Ivy should be strong enough.
What am I to do?
Obey the ivy. Let her bind you.
What have you been whispering about? What are you plotting? Traitor!
Silence, Tyler. Behave yourself.
Danger, little master, danger! They mean to harm you! Must protect!
Come back!
Stay where you are!
Yes, he's flying away.
Stay where you are! This is the first time that we have been able to judge man and to make him feel our power. Look at us. The victims of the most monstrous crimes that had for centuries been unavenged. Look into the souls of those who have so cruelly tormented.
But I've never been cruel to anyone.
Not you, perhaps, but man, your father.
No!
Knife or axe are both the same. Stand firm, be brave. Run, little master, run! I'll hold them off. I'm coming, little master. I'll save you. Seize the dog!
The diamond children! It's gone! Live children, look! Live children! Why do they call us live children?
We're in the kingdom of the future. In the midst of the children not born yet. You see, they were here for the hour of their birth, when time himself comes to take them to their mothers and fathers. Of course, there are many more halls like this, all full of different kinds of children. Enough to last until the end of the world.
May I talk to them?
Of course. I'll let you be alone for a while. You'll probably be more at ease.
Look at my invention. Look at this. Look at my invention. What is it? Something to give happiness. How does it work? I'm not too sure. But I'll have it ready by the time I'm born. When will that be? In 53 years, 4 months, and 9 days. Have you invented something too? Yes. We're not allowed to leave here empty-handed. We must all take something with us to Earth. Here, you see? 33 remedies for prolonging life. How very clever. Yes, I shall be extremely important and invent all sorts of things for the king of the 9 planets. The king of the 9 planets? Is that him? Hello. He said one day he'll found the General Confederation of the Solar Planets. They'll all belong to it. Except Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which are at a preposterous and enormous distance. You mean all that'll be one great empire? Not an empire, an independent union. Harmonious and free. You see that one over there? The one who's fast asleep? What? He'll also discover the treasures hidden on the moon. This one will bring pure joy to all mankind. How? With ideas that no one's had yet. Come along. Is he blind? Not yet, but he will become so. It seems he's to conquer death. What does that mean? I don't exactly know. Mytyl, Tyltyl, hello, how are you? You know our names. Well, of course, I'll soon be your brother. What? When? Next year, on the 30th of June. They only just told me you were here. You won't tease me too much when I'm little, will you? They had to tell Daddy to mend the cradle. Where's your invention? I haven't got one. I'm bringing 3 illnesses instead. Scarlatina, whooping cough, and measles. 3? What then? Then I shall leave you. It's hardly worthwhile coming. You can't pick and choose. Time is coming! Time is coming!
The hour has struck. Are you ready?
One at a time, one at a time. Only those of you who are to be born today, remember. There are far too many of you as usual. Run along, one at a time, one at a time. There we are. Hurry up, hurry. You must have all your inventions ready. You know the rules. Next, what are you going to be?
A farmer, sir.
A farmer. Very good, very useful. Next. Run along. What are you?
A politician.
So many politicians these days. What is needed on earth is one honest man, just one as a phenomenon. Run along. What are you?
An honest man, sir.
Pretty poor specimen by the look of it. Run along, run along. Well, come on, come on. What's the matter?
I've forgotten my box.
What box?
With my crimes.
With the 2 crimes you're going to commit? Well, run and fetch them. Hurry. Goodbye. Your mothers are waiting for you. You'll be seeing them soon. Oh, no, you don't. That's the 3rd time you've tried to be born before your time. If I catch you at it again, you'll have to wait forever with my sister Eternity. And you know how boring it is there. Come along, come along. Next. Yes, all right, hurry up.
I don't want to go. I don't want to be born. I'm happy here. Let me go in her place, sir. My parents are old and they've been waiting so long.
Certainly not. None of that. Get along, get along. There's no point refusing. No picking, no choosing. You're in the hands of fate. No stopping, no starting. It's instant departing and all stations through to your fate. No after, beforing, and no use imploring. You're in the hands of fate. You'll have to take it or leave it. You'll have to believe it. You're all in the hands of fate. There's no point refusing, no picking, no choosing. You're in the hands of fate. No sooner, no later. I'm not your creator. I'm just on the payroll of fate. Whatever life's not hidden, you must go when you're bitten and fit in your plans with fate. And if it's laughing or crying, there's no arguing. We're all in the hands of fate. Get a move on, you'll all be late. Come along, come along. All right, hurry up. Yes. I'm one missing. I'm one short. Oh, there you are. Say goodbye to your little sweetheart and come along.
Please let me stay behind with her. Or let me go with him.
Impossible.
But Mr. Time, I'll come too late. I'll be gone before she comes down.
That's not my concern. Come along.
No, please, no. Leave him with me. Leave
He's
him.
going to live, not to die.
I shall always love you. Give me a sign. Tell me how to find you. I'll be the saddest thing on earth. You'll know me by that.
Get along. Goodbye. Goodbye. Who are you? What are you doing here?
It's my fault. I brought them here.
You had no right.
But the bluebird...
Arguments increase your crime. No power on earth can conquer time.
You'll never guess where we are. Don't you recognize that little cottage?
Is it really our home?
Yes, sleepyhead.
But we can't go home yet. Why not? We haven't got the bluebird. The one in the land of memory turned black. Nights are dead. I didn't catch the one in the forest nor in the land of the future. Why did they die? Or change color? Or escape? Is it my fault, Light?
Perhaps we were wrong to try and keep her in the cage.
But we'll never catch her now.
You will. You might.
Have you ever caught a bluebird?
Yes. Only when we give it wings. Freedom of the skies. True happiness. Our bluebird. Life teaches man to know, painful though it may be, has to be let go. The bluebird's not for caging, but for the world to share. She has to have a rise and the freedom of the air. But once, and oh so briefly,